Hello guys and welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to let other people control your screen sharing. So basically you will need to open your Zoom web portal and sign in with your accounts. If you don't have accounts, you can just sign in with your Google, Facebook, or even Apple accounts. After you will sign in, you will need to go to your account settings. So we click my account, and here you will find all these settings here in this navigation tab. So basically here we'll need to click on settings and make sure that you are on meeting, so it will be shown in the blue, and we will go to the in meeting basics. So now we need to search for the remote control options. Basically, if we go down, we need to find the remote control. Basically, as you can see here, this is the remote control option, and this one will allow other people or the participants to control the shared content. So we will enable it, and it may give you like a confirmation message. You can just click enable or confirm, and you will have the feature that will be enabled automatically. Also, you can add this slide control that concern the presentations, so you are letting other people controlling like the presentations. If you don't want, just disable it and let only the share screening control or the remote control. So now when you are going to start the meeting and share your screen, other people will be allowed to give them or allowed to edit and control your screens. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.